9. It's 2. I'm gonna eat with a snack. And then I'm gonna eat dinner after. I love this bread. Like, it's the best. It's from Trader Joe's. My hair is tied up. Yeah. Okay, later. I'm gonna watch YouTube while I'm eating. Hi world! I just finished my chicken. Chimkin! Chimkin is my favorite. Now I'm gonna go get ready my face. My hair might look a mess, pero trust. My tummy's so full. I'm gonna go and get ready because I need to. Oh, also I forgot to vlog what I was eating because I was reading AU. Yeah. I'm only gonna do like the lightest makeup possible because it's a mass and just a hooding ceremony. Just to look presentable will be enough. Oh, time check. It's 2:48. I'm gonna be out in an hour to get to school because my school is so near. Like, can go there 3 minutes. Just no traffic. No kidding. We're doing concealer. So I'm gonna let this set. I'm gonna take you to get ready with me. Hi. Just finished doing my hair. It's a lot better now. I just need to... Okay, hold on.
As we gather today in the spirit of together as a group, this baccalaureate mass and meeting ceremony serve.
Tinatawag ito, yes clap sa Panginoon. Ulitin natin, 1, 2, 3, go!
Yes!
Asan ba? 1, 2, 3, go! Yes! Mas mabilis, 1, 2, 3, go! Ilagay sa kaliwang balikat, sabihin niyo congratulations. Magsitayo ang lahat.
Are you?
Gaga. Nude! Hindi ko alam wala sa nanay ko.
Ibigay ba natin? Hanapin na natin nanay mo.
Okay, I'm sending your flowers and your acceptances to your parents now.
Now, we would like to invite our graduates from the Basic Education Senior High School to rise and make their way to the stage accompanied by their parents. And now, starting with the graduates from the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics strand.
Your daughter might be cool, but can she do this?
I just blow dried my hair. My client is done. Client, say hi.
Hi.
Rate your hair out of 10.
0. Why?
Sabi mo perfect. Isa pa. Rate your hair out of 10.
Perfect.
Toto ka talaga. I'm gonna straighten my hair. I'm gonna prep.
So, yan nga yung
Face
mga
and
ko.
That's it. Okay. Bye. Oh, your eyes were so bright. I'm hungry. I have a young burger and a peach mango pie. Ilalagay na din sa bag ko. Kasi ako ay magugutom. Hindi pa dahil yun. Wala, ano na lang kung anong laman. Kasi pagkatapos ko kunin diploma ko, kakain na ako. I have this bag. Iiwanan mo na, ano na. Hoy, hoy!
Nag-iisip ako lang.
Asan yung ating motor?
Pinaparking ka lang sa European.
Wala akong hairpin.
Sino mayroon? Sino ba nandun?
Don't talk.
Wala. Pwede ba ano ka? Pwede ba yung hazmat?
Hi guys.
Hello! Congrats mga
I know, right? Sana.
Kaya word na yan.
graduation vlog.
Yes. Kasi na-miss ko lang
Hello po,
mag-vlog.
hello po. Thank you po sa aming best president. Naalala niyo pa ako? Naalala niyo pa?
Si Jalen. Ito.
Ang init.
Anong ano?
For the stand of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, so STEM.
Confirm your congratulations. Congratulations.
Diba? Na-college na tayo. Iyak ka na. Stop. Stop. Nasa likod yun ang utak ko. Hindi ko siya iniisip. Kasi pag inisip ko... Ano ka? Multo?
Pogi ko? Mag-heels after.
Coming on to you.
Tira mo pedestrian nila, pedes na lang. Muna ito